your phone and you're honking at me? You're the one driving drunk, buddy. So why were you passing me so closely?
On my phone either, and I wasn't passing close. You were in my lane of traffic.
I'm allowed to be in your lane of traffic. Yes, bicycles are allowed in the regular traffic lanes. 30 is the limit. That is the fastest you're allowed to go. It's not a goal. That's fine. You can go 15 if you need to. I'm avoiding the open doors of those parked cars, getting hit by those. You ever gone from 25 miles an hour to 0 miles an hour in a quarter second? It hurts a lot. Well, then pass me legally. The law requires 3 feet. It allows me to be in the lane. Well, maybe you should petition for that to be built for me. You know what would be safer for me is if you drove your vehicle legally. LNP. Feet when you pass a cyclist.
What?
You have to allow 3 feet of space between you and my vehicle.
Yeah,
that was about 1.5 feet. All right. That really saved you a lot of time passing me. No, I'm trying to not die from parked cars. So why don't you drive legally? Why did you almost hit me pulling out of that intersection? You came, I felt the wind against my, he was back there behind the traffic, sure. Just behave safely and obey the law. And I am doing the same thing.